Meaning of hookworm.
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 Hookworm. A hookworm is a parasitic worm that lives in the small intestine of its host, which can be humans or other animals. The hookworm uses its hook-like mouthparts to attach itself to the intestinal wall and feeds on the host's blood. Infected individuals may experience symptoms such as abdominal pain, diarrhea, and anemia. Hookworms are commonly found in areas with poor sanitation and hygiene practices. Treatment typically involves medication to kill the worms and addressing any related health issues caused by the infection. Preventative measures include improved sanitation and wearing shoes to avoid contact with contaminated soil.